Yuan Yang's workshop. Yuan Yang today brings you a transforming robot. It's the transforming robot from Transformers, the movie 2, which is the Power Master. This is Power Master's tow truck. The tow truck is built based on the HD465 heavy-duty truck. It's like a kind of vehicle used to push and pull planes at the airport. The front of it is a small car, while the rear is its body. Yuan Yang used a minimum number of bricks to build this transforming robot. This transforming robot after transformation will look like the robot in the original version. In the original version, it actually looks more like a robot. If you like Yuan Yang's videos, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and share. If you want to see anything, you can leave a message in the comments section. Yuan Yang will try to do it as soon as possible. Let's start transforming.